spots of it.
It's like actually really snowing.
And
Yeah, like 2 inches. It was right there. I made this with my hands because I don't have any gloves.
we could have tried much harder, but no gloves and it's cold.
It is cold.
You're not supposed to eat him. Not supposed to eat him.
We'll give him a nose and eyes and stuff. Oh, no, I love him. But what if multiple horses want carrots? I have to have the whole bag.
Well, then you bring 3 to 6.
No. Want to race?
Yeah, if you want to.
No, I take it back. I take it back. I take it back. Okay, you win.
I think they're just doing horse things. Oh, now Boone's here for it. He's like, give me the whole bag.
Oh, no. Here you go.
Hi, Bernie.
I get a little stressed when you're all coming at me.
Well, that's what happens when you bring a whole bag of carrots. Bernie, I ain't got any.
I think I made a new friend.
Yeah, I think your bag of carrots made a new friend. They think I've got them now.
Me and Mo are friends.
She has them.
Actually,
Grab the wire. For the video.
for the video?
Yeah, for the video.
No.
It got me yesterday and it was pretty bad.
It's just slushy. But it is hard underneath the slush. Feels pretty solid. All right. It isn't. All right.
You thought about walking on it.
Who said I'm not still?
Well, it's thick over there if you want to do it.
Where?
In between the patches of dark. The pond's never been frozen enough for me to walk across it.
Well, who's to say this isn't the year?
Me?
If I really wanted to walk across the pond, would you let me?
No.
Really?
No. Absolutely not.
You wouldn't just be like, yep, at your own risk.
No.
You wouldn't let me do it.
No, because what am I going to do if you can't get out? Just, it was at your own risk. You can just
Yeah.
freeze and die.
Say tough shit.
No. That's not how that works.
Well, I appreciate that, I guess. I guess that's a good thing.
Oh.
You're on your own. Figure it out.
Yeah, you decided to do it. No. I'd have to jump in and come get you. And then,
Oh, you'd
and
have
then we'd
to.
both freeze to death.
Not if I made it across. How tempting is it? It looks like the ground. And just, ooh. It is really coming down now. It's so beautiful. Like big, fluffy snowflakes, but it is coming down. That's so much snow.
Look how thick that sheet is.
That's so much snow. I don't feel good about it. This is
Why?
a lot of snow.
I love driving in the snow. Plus, I want to see how good the car does. That's in thick snow.
All of the snow is thick snow.
Car was a no-go. Can't even make it halfway up the driveway, which I did think that it would, but that's only because my last car did pretty good in the snow.
But that's why we have a Jeep.
Heck yeah.
It's really coming down. This is a lot more snow than we've had in a long time.
She's not excited about it, but
What do you mean? Don't I look excited?
I love driving in the snow.
Don't I look excited?
Yeah, super.
Super. Well, she started. She hasn't been started in several days,
Fired right up.
so that's good news.
She rips.
Oh, I'm sorry, baby.
What?
The Jeep just made it look so easy.
I mean, it is a Jeep.
We should have just started with the Jeep in the first place.
Yeah.
Well, good news is we're out of our driveway. I don't feel any better yet. This is what it looks like now.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. It's so pretty. It's the next day. We didn't do much else yesterday. After we went to the Dollar General.
Didn't really do anything. And it kept snowing for a while.
Yes. I think we have probably, would you say like 4 or 5 inches?
I would say at most we had probably 5 inches.
It's crazy. Kentucky doesn't get that much snow normally. Oh. I think you can make it through, but
I think so.
I think they cut it enough that like a truck can fit through it, so. You'll hit branches, but it'll be fine. They could have got a little bit more.
Good Lord.
We just went out and did a little DIY snow photo shoot. And now we're just driving around on the gravel roads, playing around in the Jeep. So if you hear the dinging, it's because the seatbelt.
It doesn't matter if you have the seatbelts on or not.
We could both have our seatbelts fully on. I don't even have a back seat, so that's not
We're going 15 miles an
included.
hour.
But it'll ding regardless, so sorry about that. I love having a Jeep. We did get stuck once yesterday.
And might right now.
Let's see.
No, she powered
No,
through.
she's good. We got it stuck once yesterday in 2-wheel drive, so we had to put it in 4-wheel drive to get out.
And I mean, we're still in 2-wheel drive right now, and all 4 wheels were off the road right there, going around the tree.
She's a beast. We're about to get off the road right here. Let's see. Oh, it's not that bad. Yeah.
Powers right through it.
Good job. You're awesome. I'm gonna read. I'm gonna edit these photos. We might cook supper on the Blackstone tonight. We'll see.
Maybe.
It's kind of cold.
I don't care to do it, but I don't know what I'd make.
Yeah, that's really the whole day so far. I'm gonna let you know if anything changes. So we lied about not doing anything.
Yeah, I mean, we didn't lie earlier.
But we are doing something.
Yeah, some last minute plans came up.
Yeah, so there is an event called
Barrels, Bands, and Bulls.
Bulls, Bands, and Barrels. So our friends asked if we wanted to come, and here we are.
Heck yeah.
So,
We'll put a few clips in.
yeah.
Pro Rodeo, nod that head, and here we go. Nope. And this little bull literally flipped over that. So let's go right now to a guy that is from White Cloud, Michigan. He's gonna have some fun in India.
The end of our snow day fun. The snow's all melted now. Didn't last very long. Just coming on here to tell you that we are going to post every Friday around 5, 6, 7-ish. So you can look forward to that. We leave for our next big trip tomorrow. We're not ready. The next video you see will be us getting ready and leaving and all those things. But we leave tomorrow on I'm so excited. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.